Good morning, how is everybody doing? This is Matt. I'm in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We are doing a shingle roof replacement. This current roof that we're doing needed a cricket installed, so I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so you can see right there the cricket was installed, so we had to cut out plywood and put in valley metal there. So when we go back over that, it's going to have a mineral surface capping on top of that instead of shingle. That way, in case any puddling happens, it doesn't affect the integrity of the roof. And then you can see down here, we had to install new 5x7L flashing. Alright, that's the update for today. See you guys at the next one. How's everybody doing? This is Matt with Air Force Roofing. I'm out here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We just did a shingle roof replacement. The last time I was out here, we had the cricket in progress, so I want you guys to see what that looks like now. Alright, so this area is not going to get shingle because it is considered a low slope area. We have a mineral surface cap seat here, so pretty much this is a flat roof or a low slope type system, so that if puddling happens in this area, it does not cause a leak. Over here on the return, we redid the stucco and we have flashing down there. So this is how you properly do the return and the cricket. So this was not originally there, so this was a custom job that we performed. So if your roof is like this is how we will take care of it. Just to show you guys the rest of the roof, the shingle turned out to be looks pretty good. It's the CertainTeed Landmark Pewter. Let's take a look at that. Alright, so that's what a shingle roof replacement looks like. Again, we service the Tri-County area, Broward, Palm Beach, and Miami-Dade. If you need any repairs or preventative maintenance or a roof replacement, please give us a call. Thank you. Have a great day.